Hello everyone, my name is Sagar and I hope you are doing well. In this video, we'll see how we can convert Word documents into PDF. Okay, so for that, let's consider a scenario. I'll go to my OneDrive and here let me go to my files and here I will create a dummy Word document. So this Word document is kind of ready, so I will write some dummy data here. So for example, I can put something like this, dots, or I can put numbering here, something like this, 2, 3, just to show. Okay, now this sample Word document is ready. The name is Sagar only. So let me refresh this. Okay, so if you can see, my Word document is ready. Okay, all right. Now, if I want to convert this Word document into PDF, okay. So there are multiple ways. Okay, let me start one by one. Even there could be a number of ways, but I'm going to show you two simple ones. So I can say here this has Word to PDF, and I'm going to simply hit on create button, and I will select the manual trigger of the flow. Okay, now the first step would be where I'll be simply using the out of the box feature here. So we have this Word online business. So here I will hard code that particular PDF file, but you can get it from SharePoint. You can dynamically use it. So I will use this convert Word document to PDF. Now it can integrate with a number of cases, but I'm going to select OneDrive, and then I need to select my document library from here. So OneDrive. Then here I'm going to hard code my file. So the file which I created is named with Sagar here. So I will say this. Okay, now this will automatically create a PDF for me, but how I can achieve it? Let us assume if you want to get the PDF, you want to send this PDF, sorry, you want to send this converted Word document PDF, to an email. So I will select new here. I'm going to search for my Outlook and I will search for send an email. Let me click on this and send an email video. Here I can send email to myself. And I can say subject, I can say Word to PDF. I'll say hello, please find attachment. And I will select this show advanced option here. Here I can give a name. So for example, I can say saga.pdf. Now important thing is that you need to add PDF at the end, okay? And then from here I can see this PDF document, okay? So let me save this and test it out. And hopefully if everything will be good, I should receive an email. So I will test it. I will say manually test and I will say run flow and I will say done. And now here in my another tab, I'm going to open my Outlook. Okay, so I just got an email, okay, with hi PDF, okay. And if I will see the preview, I should get my content here. That is exactly I'm getting. I put it all this information, right? And now let me tell you, if you don't want to use this convert Word document to PDF, so what you can do, let me delete this. And here, let me use OneDrive only, even you can do it from SharePoint as well. Let me search for OneDrive. Okay, OneDrive for business. So here I have this option, convert file. So here I need to select my file. For now, I will again hardcode my file. I will go to root, I will go to documents, and here this file is available. Okay, but now I've changed it here, so accordingly I will need to update my attachment content. So I will need to select file content, and here let me do one thing. I will get the exact file name file name, and let me add .pdf at the end. That is necessary, else you will need to manually add PDF. You will get a blank file and you will need to add PDF and then it will work. So here I will change the subject as second way, and let me test it out. I will save and test. And I will hit on my this continue button, run flow, done. Okay, my flow ran successfully, and in my second tab I got an email as well with what to PDF second way, and if I will open my this, so I should get an PDF, okay, of my those content. So this is how you can convert your 4 documents to PDF easily. Thank you for watching this video.